Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss important questions of Unit 9, that is semiconductor devices. One question for 4 marks has been asked from here, so you just learn it carefully, and one question may be asked for 3 marks. They, let us start. There is a simple question, that is the formation of depletion layer and potential barrier in PN junction. You just read it out, and very simple questions, that is difference between n type and p type semiconductor, and intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor also, and drive an expression for electrical conductivity or resistivity of semiconductor. This may be asked for drive an expression for current formation in semiconductors. So this is the result of your expressions. You just read it out. ये क्वेश्चन इतना ज़्यादा पूछा नहीं गया है, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस बहुत कम पूछे जाते हैं, बट जो आपके MCQs हैं वो बनते हैं यहाँ से। तो जो छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स होते हैं उनको एक बार ज़रूर पढ़ें, उन्हीं में से MCQs आते हैं। जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो जिनके मैक्सिमम चांसेस रहते हैं इस चैप्टर में से, वो हैं PN जंक्शन एज अ फॉरवर्ड बाइस एंड रिवर्स बाइस, एंड व्हाट इज़ रेक्टिफिकेशन। रेक्टिफिकेशन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ AC into DC. This process is called rectification. And next is types of rectifier. There are 2 type of rectifier, half wave and full wave rectifier. So it is important question. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. You just read it out once. And some more semiconductor devices like photodiode, LED, solar cell, these are also important. Transistor as a switch, this is very important. Transistor as an amplifier. Generally common emitter amplifier has been asked. It may be by using NPN or PNP. And one more important question, that is transistor as an oscillator. Guys, इस चैप्टर में से न्यूमेरिकल भी पूछ लिए जाते हैं साथ में, तो आप ऐसा ना सोचें कि इस चैप्टर से न्यूमेरिकल शायद ना आए, चाहे वो MCQs में आ जाएंगे या फिर साथ में कहीं किसी भी क्वेश्चन के साथ। तो मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ ये इम्पॉर्टेंट फार्मूलाज भी लिख दिए हैं, like IE, emitter current is equal to collector current plus base current. This beta is the gain, current gain, and it is the ratio of collector current to the base current in common emitter amplifier. And alpha is also a current gain, but in case of common base amplifier, so it is alpha is equal to IC upon IE, and beta and alpha में relation भी है, beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. These are the simple formulas for common base amplifier, common emitter amplifier. Current gain, what is current gain, voltage gain, power gain, and transconductance. These are simple terms which will be asked with common emitter amplifier. So you just read it out. इतना सा चैप्टर है, ये ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है.